Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came in an umai crate. You can head over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And today I've got something that's a little different. This is from Japan. It's cognac noodle. It's spelled K-O-N-J-A-C. Cognac is a root, or konjac, or however you want to pronounce it. But it's really low cal. The noodles are made out of the konjac root and soybean flour, I think. So here's what you get in the pack. Here's the noodles. They're real rubbery. I've had this kind of noodle before, and what it's all about, if you want to have good ones, you got to get ones that have a thin gauge, because the thicker the gauge, the more rubbery they are, and I just don't like the rubbery aspect. But yeah, this 75 calories, straight up. So it only takes a minute, literally, to cook. So let's do that. So you dump them in. These look to be pretty thin. I don't know, I had some tomato ones. Oh, maybe not. I had some tomato ones this company did, and I just wasn't at all thrilled with them. But we'll see. Maybe these are going to be better. And yeah, all we need is 1 minute to cook. So what's going on with all of y'all? Still got the absolute insane amount of Russian folks coming in to check out the channel. How you doing? Здравствуйте. Although they might, maybe my horrible way of my horrible pronunciation of a common word has made them run away. But I did a little short video yesterday just saying, hello people of Russia, and I got a lot of replies. I was asking if maybe they could hook me up with Russian noodle companies or something, and somebody offered, hey man, give me your address, I'll go to the store and buy all the Russian instant noodles you want and mail them to you. So I replied to that. Wow, that's it? It's just 1 minute. Didn't even really come back to a boil yet, so I'm going to give it a couple more seconds. But yeah, and then we'll see how this goes. This is supposed to be like a Shio Yakisoba. It does mention using, what do you call it? Seafood. So it's kind of like seafood salt yakisoba. Sounds good to me. But yeah, that should be it right there. So let's drain them. Drain these noodles. Noodles are drained. Got a sachet of seasoning. And I've got a whole slew of garnish to go with this stuff, but let's dump this in, give it a try. I just today got another person, actually it was one of the Russian people, they were asking, can you like be more like detailed on what you have to say about what you're trying and reviewing? Because this show really isn't a review show. I'm literally showing you what I do with instant noodles when I do reviews. However, the review and the score itself go on the website, www.theramenraider.com. But yeah, I can try to be a little more detailed on it. I don't know. It's like I tried doing giving like the actual score that I'll give them, but I've got like a mental process that I go through when I do reviews. So it's like I gotta let it kind of mellow in my brain. But here's what we got. It kind of looks just like almost like egg noodles, but they are not egg noodles. Rest assured of that. They do smell like seafood, though. They definitely have that kind of buttery hit to it. But we'll see. Let's give this stuff a try. Cheers. That's better. Yeah, see, you could eat all this and it would be 75 calories. See that gauge? That gauge for cognac or whatever you want to call it is perfect. It's not, if it's too thick, it's just going to be like eating rubber bands or chewing on rubber bands. This gauge that's flat, slightly broader than your like angel hair, but a little bit broader, that's good. That I would say if you're looking at eating something that's a little lower cal, or rather a lot lower calorie, that'll do you pretty good. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of mung bean sprout. No. The mung bean sprout is looking silly in this, so I am skipping on that. Luckily, I can just fish them out. I can't live with how these look in here, and the seasoning is too light in color to make them look right. So I've got some shrimp. I think I'm just gonna garnish it on top. So let's drop this on here. There's a couple mung bean sprouts now. They look stupid. Just too stark. Let's drop these shrimp in. Miles and Mimi just joined me in doing an unboxing video for some Malaysian uber spicy stuff. So that you've probably seen by now if you want. If you didn't know about it, now you do. So you could see it if that is something you're interested in. I think it probably came out really good. We'll see. They generally like doing video stuff. They like the attention. Like, look, I'm on TV. I don't know, I always wonder, it's like, oh, it says stuff if kids are in your videos. It's like, well, they're my kids, so, I mean, I don't know. They're not videos for kids, really. They're just, I'm letting them take part. And it's not like I'm not exploiting my children doing video. So any chance they get, my children exploit my kindness. So. Yeah, that'll work. And a little bit of shichimi. Let's get this nice and spicy. And I think we're good to go. Oh, let's use some of this. This stuff is fun. I got this for another review set, but I have to get new ones from the manufacturer because they sent me the wrong one. But or new noodles. That's okay. Don't want to do the ones that aren't right. But yeah, little shreddies of seaweed. And yeah, let's perfect. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, rotate. Alright. You know, it really is time to get new music for this show. Maybe I should do that this weekend. Sounds like motivational dentist office music. I can't stand it. But yeah, I'll have to go and dig and find some more of the good stuff. But, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, 75 calorie seafood noodle. Have a good one. Bye.